In this episode, we have a quiet day at sea, followed by another gala night and a spectacular evening's entertainment. The next day we visit St Johns NewFoundland, meet up with some extraordinary locals, discover a street that's completely full of bars, and after a long walk, eventually sample some of the local beverages ourselves.
If you've been enjoying our videos to the USA and Canada, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel?
Yes, and hit the thumbs up button. Oh, and don't forget the notification bell so you get informed about all our future videos. After a full day at sea which consisted of sport, singing and snoozing, we set off to Good Spirits for an early evening drink. It's an apples light cocktail in Good Spirits.
And it was our last bottle for a show.
Very pretty.
Music in Piazza.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I like that.
Our entertainment this evening was something very special. A group of singers called the West Enders who entertained us with songs from the shows which we thoroughly enjoyed. Their repertoire was very varied and covered shows old and new. Their favourite show was Les Miserables, and they saved this to their grand finale to their show. The next morning we awoke in St Johns NewFoundland. Our intentions that day were to walk out to the Quiddy Viddy brewery, as it was such a sunny day, even if it was a little bit bitter. As we were walking along the seafront checking our maps, two ladies came along and stopped us and asked us if we needed any help. We told them of our intentions, and then one of them said, "Hop in the car and we'll take you out there." We couldn't really believe what was happening to us. But not only did they take us out to the brewery, first of all they took us to Signal Hill and then took us on a guided tour of the area. We couldn't believe our luck. It just goes to show that there are good people in the world. And the ladies from St John's certainly were heroes. They even ended up bringing us back into town. We tried to buy them a coffee or treat them to lunch, but they declined, saying the only thing they would like is if we did somebody else a good turn one day. What lovely, extraordinary people. So this is a statue in the town full of musicians, and Lindsey's over there looking at it.
Commissioned to celebrate the contribution of the arts to the city, and commemorates 2006 as the year the city of St John's was designated a cultural capital of Canada.
So it would appear that we've stumbled on a whole street that is full of pubs and entertainment area. So we've got the Rob Roy over there, TJ's Pub here. This is the Martini Bar. The next one we come to is O'Reilly's. Next along here we've got Sirens, which is a gentleman's cabaret spot. We've got Christian's Brewery. No, Christian's Pub. Next in the street is Kelly's Pub. So this is the Shamrock City. And despite there being an awful lot of pubs here, the Adelaide Brewing Company is coming soon to make it another one. Here we've got another one. Bridie Malloy's Speed Bar. Karaoke and Cops Bar. This is the home of the Screech Inn. Novel idea over here. They have pubs combined with museums. That's a novel idea. So Linz, we're in Broderick's Irish Pub in St John's, Newfoundland.
Yeah.
Pretty little place.
Yeah, really nice character for this.
Yeah, we found those ones so far. And nice selection of beers. We'll wait and see what we get.
It's a lovely little sign on the wall there.
Oh yeah, little sign on the wall over there. See if we can zoom in on that one. A bit of Gaelic and the translation to go with it. So Lindsay's gone for the Canadian lager, and I've gone for the Quiddy Viddy local IPA. It's quite nice. So that was it. St John's was our final port of call. But we still had 5 wonderful days to look forward to on our cruise with our new friends and people that we've met. Stay with us now and enjoy the ship activities. As you can see on our way back across the Atlantic, we did kick up a little bit of swell, but nothing to stop our fun. It was time to pay our second visit to Sabatini's. We're back in Sabatini's again, Lindsey. And what have you gone for? Busy eating. So this is the pre-starters, which is very nice with the olive oil and balsamic vinegar. And then, we've both gone for actually some more Prosecco. We've had a few before we got here, so it would be a shame not to.
You've had a few.
I've had 4. And you?
I have one Prosecco.
You have one and gin.
Yeah.
It's alright, whatever you fancy. And now we've ordered, what have you ordered?
No idea.
And that night, these were our starters, closely followed by our pasta dishes. So for the soup and salad course, we both went for the...
It's a cheese fondue.
Oh, and it's gorgeous.
Don't be fooled into thinking it's a fondue because it's a soup.
It's not, it's a
really
soup.
good.
That's it, Lindsey. What is it?
I'm not sure.
Chicken?
It may be. I'm not sure. It's pasta.
Pasta? It's all pasta.
Oh no. Got a macaroni type pasta.
A macaroni pasta? Cheese?
Yeah.
Vegetarian?
Probably.
Yeah.
This one's lasagna and this one I think is chicken.
Chicken? Oh. It's quite a big portion, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, I'm going to struggle with this.
And I've got my spaghetti and meatballs. So, yeah, looking forward to it. So this is my main course, the veal, which looks quite nice but rather large. And Lindsey, if she moves her Prosecco out the way...
Sorry.
It's alright, that's your chicken.
It is.
And looks really nice, but it's not too huge.
No.
But you did have rather a large pasta dish. Yeah, whereas mine was smaller, but that's quite big.
But I need to let you know that I have a special guest tonight, which came directly from Los Angeles to spend a little some time with us. Mrs. Julie, she's my friend already from many years. She's not my wife, okay? Don't worry. So tonight, she wanted to record my video because it's gonna be on YouTube. I'm gonna make it for you. The song I'm gonna sing for everybody is called That's Amore. If you know the song, you can sing it with me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. When the moon hits the sky, I got big pizza pie, that's amore. When the star seems to shine like I have too much wine,
That's amore.
Bell will ring, mozzarella.
So I've got my Rocher here, and it's very nice.
I've got a special
And
pudding.
you've got a special Zabaglione without the fruit,
Yeah.
because you don't like the fruit, it spoils it.
Yeah, it spoils it. The Zabaglione really nice.
Enjoy. All finished off with a nice cup of cappuccino. Very nice indeed. I'll rush it a bit though so we can get into the theatre. One of the many game shows held on board was Deal or No Deal, and we stumbled upon this one. As you can see, the presentation and the graphics were quite incredible.
2 matches with that $5 scratch card. Let's see who you are.
First winner of the afternoon on the second round.
Liza M. Congratulations.
And
You're going to rack up
showbiz
some more
name,
matches.
Susan.
That's your minimum prize, but you could get an even better prize.
Liza's on the way up the leaderboard. Meanwhile, let's go back to our main game. And Michael has turned down 2 bids, both around that 150 mark. Okay, the 1,000 is the total key case now. That's the whole balance. This time we're removing 3 cases from the game, and where are we starting?
Number 20.
The highest...
One of the other popular shows on board was the Crew Talent Show, which gave people from all over the ship a chance to perform on the stage in front of the passengers, a way of saying thank you by the passengers for the service that we've been receiving from them.
The rehearsals have gone on, we've recruited, the captain didn't qualify, the hotel general manager was out in the second round, it's very strict.
We have got 8 acts for you. We've got about 1,300 crew on board, so that's 1 in 162 has a talent, so that's good. Now, obviously, strict qualifying criteria for this. Not just anybody can walk on this stage. Promise you, only 8 will perform for you today. Margaret, you were backstage with the rehearsals. We got 8 in the final. How many showed up for rehearsal?
8.
Oh, never mind then. With that, they're here then, ladies and gents. This is your International Crew Talent Show. So
I work in the laundry department.
oh, the laundry. Okay. You have a lovely clean shirt.
Does an angel come to play my fate?
And the whole show was hosted brilliantly by Paul, the cruise director.
I knew the path like the back of my hand. And begin to take you, the wings are made to fly.
Some acts were obviously better than others, but it was really well supported by the passengers with a packed house.
Show them all the beauty they possess inside.
I who have nothing, there's a calm surrender to the rest of day.
So the crew talent show was a great success and thoroughly enjoyed by all the passengers that attended. Later that day we visited the Princess Line, where we enjoyed our Eurovision trivia competition.
Yes, title. Exactly, yes.
The entertainment on board was non-stop and just kept on coming, whether it was comedians, bands and even a ship's photographer.
So this is the captain's
farewell. Captain's gone already, so he's not here. We're having to make an early stop into Southampton due to the person not being very well on board. So we've been given this glass of something, and it's up to the usual standard.
different company,
Same
taste.
One of the things that made this cruise quite special was the people we met, and here are a few of them, and this guy was very special, Paul, the cruise director. And as a tribute to the wonderful service that we enjoyed, here's some of the guys on board that worked their socks off day and night to make our holiday very special. The crew at Good Spirits, our wonderful cabin steward Raymond, Assistant Cruise Director Sarah,
Washing flower, as a matter of
a
fact.
wonderful waiter Aldrin, and our new friends Dave and Emma from Cruise Addicted, Shona and Nick, Sheila and Phil and Sheila Hull from the choir, not forgetting Steve and Wendy Hearn. On the last night of the cruise we were lucky enough to enjoy the company of Emma and Dave and Isabel and Silvio for their celebration night. Who is a Romanian professional singer. They don't sing very well in Romania. And this is a birthday celebration for little Isabel over there.
Wonderful Isabel.
And we have Dave and Emma here, and it's their 25th anniversary. Emma is double part again.
Shame if I wasn't.
And it's not because she's slow, it's just that she double orders every time.
I've got the other one.
You've got the other one. Oh, fair enough. Yeah. Tasting of the Renegade wine. Emma's first thoughts.
Thank you.
It's very well balanced.
Very well balanced. Very well balanced.
The tannin is perfect. The alcohol, just enough.
Oh, good. So this is
The
a
acidity.
cruise
is under
monkey
control.
special, this one.
A hint of.
And Dave?
Dangerous.
Easy to drink. The main courses now. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Peppercorn sauce, chips, beautifully cooked. Perfect. So we've had a lovely meal. Hello, darling. We've had a lovely meal in Crown Grill tonight. Unfortunately, Silvio's had to.
The recommendation of the Renegade.
Renegade.
The Renegade or the
Yes.
Renegade was more like a grenade.
He's been renegaded to his cabin.
And his He has exploded.
No, I think he'll be back.
No, I don't.
He has exploded
You won't see him till
with
tomorrow morning,
alcohol
I think.
consumption.
Anyway, we're having a lovely night. It's been a really good time. Nice to chat and celebrate Dave and Emma's silver wedding with them.
Thank you very much for coming.
It's been a real pleasure. And here's little...
Here's birthday girl.
He started drinking too early.
Here's a birthday girl. She's back. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. So Isabel's back. Come on. Anniversary.
We're having a birthday. Who is the birthday boy or birthday girl?
Birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
That's it. Where's the anniversary? She's birthday.
We are the
Thank
anniversary.
you. They're the anniversary.
Hey.
We're going to sing.
Oh, we have an audience.
Yes. So much.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we sing
Beautiful.
anniversary first, please. Please, hold your hands. One, two, three.
You're in charge.
Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary to you.
Now for Isabel.
For Isabel, please. We all sing for Isabel's birthday. 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isabel. Happy birthday to you.
So, how's your special anniversary chocolate cake?
Lovely.
It's lovely.
Yummy.
Good.
Delicious.
You're loving it, Dave, aren't you?
More for me.
More for you.
It's that jelly layer is just perfect.
What a kind wife you've got, letting you have the best bits.
I didn't know I was lost. I tried carrying the weight of the world, but I only had
Watch out for our forthcoming reviews on food, entertainment and the cruise as a whole. I hope you've enjoyed this series and look forward to seeing you again soon.